We're going to start our analysis here with some simple data of actual and budget results for revenue and expense categories. We're going to create a column called variance, and we're going to, in the cell, calculate variance as actual minus budget. We're going to drag that down with Control D, and then we're going to copy the formatting in the budget column and paste formats to make all of that match. Now down below, we're going to create a section to calculate the key metric we care about, which in this case is operating profit. So we will start with our budget operating profit. We'll then look at the different variance items, and we'll end at actual operating profit. Now all of the values we need are up above in the summary table. So we will link in to the budget operating profit of 1.5 million in this case. And we're going to get to the actual operating profit of 900,000. And then we'll link in our different variance items. Now, if you start with the 1.5 million and sum up the variance items of 600,000 in total, you end up at 900,000 actual operating profit. We're going to select this entire section. We're going to go up top to the Insert menu, and we're going to press this button here to open up all chart types we can insert. We're going to select Waterfall Chart, and we're going to pull that over to the side. We're going to do some simple formatting. So we'll add a title. We'll call it Budget versus Actual Waterfall Analysis. I'm going to go ahead and delete the legend below. It's not really helpful in this case. And now the key piece is to go to the final column or bar at the end, double click that, right click your mouse, and select Set as Total. You can now see the chart makes a lot more sense visually. Now I'm going to go ahead and adjust the scale of the axes. So I'm going to make that a little bit larger so that the bars adjust accordingly and just look a little bit better visually. Now you can see I'm going to bold the titles with Control B. I'm going to change the font size at the bottom just because a lot of the text is getting cut off. So I'm going to shrink that. I'm going to also shrink the text on the other axes to make that match. You can see visually now we have a good looking waterfall analysis that clearly shows the bridge from the budgeted operating profit of 1.5 million to the actual operating profit for the month of 900,000. In my next video, I'll show you how to put this into a nice looking PowerPoint slide with some commentary for a presentation. If you found this helpful, please click the subscribe button for future Excel skills content.